Xperia Pro I.
Beyond horizons, when most see only limits. Would you venture into the darkness, trusting that you will always be able to find the light? Would you pursue the most challenging journeys with the belief to stand firm? And capture your reward? Would you walk your own path and let your instincts guide you? Because only those unafraid to challenge what's within truly see beyond convention and show the world beauty that's never been seen. X70 series, co-engineered with Zeiss. Vivo.
A faster chip, a high-performance display, and the biggest upgrade ever to the camera. Introducing iPhone 13 Pro. It's ready for action! New wide and ultra-wide cameras let you capture incredible scenes in even lower light. The new telephoto camera has 3 times optical zoom for even closer close-ups. Discover a new world in macro with the ultra-wide camera. And upload and download faster on the go with 5G. The superior durability of ceramic shield means iPhone 13 Pro is ready for any shoot, almost anywhere. iPhone 13 Pro offers filmmaking capabilities not possible in even the most expensive movie cameras. Now you can capture, edit, and deliver in ProRes, the same format used in the movie industry. And introducing Cinematic Mode, which brings the art of cinematography to iPhone. For the first time, you can shift the focus automatically while you shoot or even afterwards. And all in Dolby Vision. The Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion uses an adaptive refresh rate that makes the iPhone experience feel faster and more fluid. Power is redefined with A15 Bionic, the world's fastest smartphone chip. and a huge leap in battery life to keep up with your day. More powerful, more intelligent, and a world of cinematic possibilities. iPhone 13 Pro.
Don't you come back no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more.
Bold new contour cut camera design, the fastest chip ever in Galaxy, and intelligent battery to outlast your day. Introducing Galaxy S21 Ultra. Precision camera elements and cutting-edge technology revolutionize how you capture video and photos. The revolution starts with 8K. 8K video goes beyond cinema, the highest video resolution possible on a smartphone. And with 8K Video Snap, you can take epic high-res photos straight from video. Groundbreaking director's view reimagines movie making. In real time, you call the shots. Choose between ultra-wide, wide, and when you want to get up close, tele. Or put yourself in the picture with vlogger mode. It's all covered in one take with unprecedented processor speed, splicing every angle together on the fly. So, without lag, it's all there in a single seamless movie file, ready to share. Super high resolution doesn't stop at video. The epic story continues with an enhanced 108 megapixel sensor, capturing rich color for true-to-life photos. You can all but taste the details as you pinch in to discover photos within photos. Our breakthrough dual tele-lens system brings the world closer to you. With Zoom Lock, Space Zoom is now smoother, faster, and sharper than any zoom in Galaxy. Night Mode delivers our biggest leap in low-light photography. Multi-frame blending and enhanced AI deep learning transform low light into bright, vivid photos. When the night calls for video, enhanced noise reduction makes adventures after dark brighter than ever. And shooting 60 frames per second across 4 lenses in 4K makes every move look unbelievably smooth. The first S Pen for S Series puts precision editing at your fingertips. So you can now craft edits on the go and share in an instant on 5G. Our smoothest display ever is also the most intelligent on a smartphone. 120Hz refresh rate optimizes to what you're watching, while Eye Comfort Shield intelligently adjusts blue light for you. With the fastest chip in Galaxy, unsurpassed speed powers an epic camera experience, complete with dedicated Samsung Knox Vault for the highest level of hardware security. And intelligent 5000 mAh battery will outlast your day, even on 5G. S21 Ultra's iconic contour cut camera design revolutionizes all a smartphone camera can do. Designed to be epic in every way. Galaxy S21 Ultra.